In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Outlook mobile app. Now to do this, first you want to open your Outlook on your phone, then you want to go to the top left and you want to tap on the Outlook logo, so at the very top left, tap on that, and then from here at the very bottom left, you can now find Settings. If you tap on Settings, over here you can see under Quick Settings, the second thing is going to be Signatures. So you want to tap on Signatures over here, and as you can see, you'll be able to add a signature that way. Now by default, it's going to be this one, which says Send from Outlook for Android. You can go ahead and delete this and then just change it, okay? So for example, if I want my signature to be like, for example, best regards, and then I'm going to do another line, and then I'm going to do instant how to, like this. I can just leave it like that, click on a check mark in the top right, and that's really all you have to do. That's now my new signature, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.